Copy trading on YUBIT is honestly one of the easiest ways to get into crypto, even if you have zero experience reading charts. You literally let a profitable trader do all the work, and your account follows their trades automatically. But here's the thing, most people set this up completely wrong. They just pick the trader with the highest win rate, copy them blindly, and then wonder why they're losing money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up copy trading on YUBIT the right way, step by step, from signing up to finding the right trader to claiming every bonus available to you. And if you use my exclusive link down below to sign up, you will unlock up to 50,000 USDT in welcome bonuses. I'll show you exactly how to claim all of that as well. So let's get started. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly break down the bonuses you get with my link, because these are actually very good. With my link, you unlock up to 50,000 USDT in welcome bonuses. Here's how it breaks down. If you deposit at least $100 and reach $10,000 in trading volume, you get a $1,000 position voucher. That scales all the way up to a $10,000 position voucher if you deposit $10,000 and reach $2 million in trading volume. On top of that, there are futures trade and mystery box rewards. Reach $100,000 in trading volume and you get a mystery box worth at least 50 USDT. Scale that up to $50 million in trading volume and you're looking at a $15,000 USDT mystery box. Now these all stack on top of each other. So the more you deposit and trade, the more you unlock. Make sure you use my link down below. If you use a different link, you will not get the full bonus. So do make sure you're using mine. First things first, you need a YUBIT account. If you already have one, you can skip ahead to the next step. If you don't have one yet, click the link in the description below. That link will take you directly to the YUBIT sign-up page, and it will make sure you get the full exclusive welcome bonus package up to 50,000 USDT in rewards. Just click sign up, enter your email, create a strong password, and you're in. The whole process takes less than a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the YUBIT main dashboard. Now let's get your funds in the right place before we do anything else. Before you can start copy trading, you need to make sure your funds are in your futures account, because that's where YUBIT pulls the capital from when you set up a copy trade. Now YUBIT actually made this very easy. Just click on transfer, then transfer funds from your funding or spot account to your futures account. Select the asset you want USDT, choose the amount, and then click transfer. Simple as that. If your funds are already in there, great, you're ready to go. Let's move on to the actual copy trading setup. Now hover over futures in the top navigation bar and click on copy trading. Here you can see the full overview of your copy trading account, from today's profit to your current copy margin to your total copy trading profit and total copy margin. This is your dashboard for everything copy trading related. Now if you want to read the copy trading guide directly from YUBIT, you can click on it right here next to copy trading. Their docs cover the introduction to copy trading, the feature overview, and a full copy trading tutorial, worth a quick read if you want to go deeper. Going back to the copy trading menu, once you scroll down, you can see the top traders based on YUBIT's default rankings. They sort by a few different things. Win rate. This is the percentage of trades a trader closes in profit. Trading frequency. This is how often they're actively placing trades. Number of followers. This shows how many people are currently copying them. Followers' assets. This is the total capital that followers have allocated to copying this trader. For every trader on this list, you can see key stats at a glance. Their name, how many copiers they have, their 30-day P&L in both percentage and USDT terms, their equity curve, followers' assets, win rate, profit share ratio, and trading days. Now take note, some traders you'll see here are already full. That means they've hit their maximum number of copiers and you can't copy them anymore. So if you see that, just move on and find another trader. You can also search for a specific trader using the search bar on the top left if you already have someone in mind. Once you've found a trader you're happy with, click the Copy Now button on the upper right side of their profile. Here you'll see two modes, Smart Copy Trading and Custom Copy Trading. Let's start with Smart Copy Trading. Smart Copy Trading uses predetermined settings that were set by the trader themselves, so you're essentially following their exact setup without changing much. Under Copy Mode, you can see the Margin Mode, Position Mode, Leverage, and Single Copy Amount. On Margin Mode, you have three options here. First is Cross. This mode uses all available margin in your account as collateral. Second is isolated. This allocates margin for each position separately, so your risk is limited to what you put into that specific trade. Third is copy the leader. This mode uses the exact same margin mode as the trader you're copying. Next is position mode. Here you can see it is default in split mode. Split keeps each copied trade as a separate position. Leverage. In smart copy trading, this is usually set to copy the leader, meaning your leverage will automatically match whatever the trader is using. Single copy amount. If the leader chose position ratio, this means your copy order margin is based on the trader's position size and balance. Each order, your margin equals your available balance multiplied by the trader's margin ratio. The minimum margin per order is 10 USDT, so keep that in mind. Now remember, you need your copy trading account funded in order to copy lead traders. To do this, just click on Transfer. Transfer funds from your spot account to your futures account, select the asset, choose the amount, and click Transfer. Very straightforward. If you click on More Settings, you can select the specific trading pairs you want to copy, click on Modify, and select the copy trading pairs you want. For example, if you only want to copy Bitcoin and Ethereum trades, you can choose just those two, and it will automatically only open those specific pairs and not the others. It's set to all by default, so if you want to copy everything the leader trades, just leave it as is. Then click Complete. Scrolling down, you'll see the max copy amount. This is the maximum order amount that can be reached with your current copy trading margin. No new copy trades will be triggered once this limit is hit. Next is Copy Stop Loss. When the cumulative loss of your follow account reaches the amount you set, the follow relationship will be automatically lifted and the remaining positions will be closed immediately at market price. This is a very important risk management tool, so I'd recommend setting this. Once you have everything ready, you'll see the Copy Immediately button. Take note, when copy trading under cross margin mode, if the lead trader recharges or transfers funds to their futures account, you may face a higher liquidation risk than the trader. So please be aware of the risks involved. Now, if you want more control over your settings, click on Custom Copy Trading. Under Single Copy Amount, you have three types to choose from. Fixed Amount. Your margin for each order is a fixed amount in USDT that you set yourself, regardless of what the trader is doing. Fixed Ratio. Your margin for each order is a fixed multiple of the trader's margin. For example, if you set 1.5 times, each order will be followed according to 1.5 times the margin of the trader. Position Ratio. Your copy order margin is based on the trader's position size and balance. Each order, your margin equals your available balance multiplied by the trader's margin ratio. Minimum margin per order is 10 USDT. Under margin mode, you can select between cross, isolated, or copy the leader, same as before. On leverage, you can either copy the leader or set custom leverage up to 150 times. If you're just starting out, I'd recommend keeping it low, 5 times to 10 times maximum. The settings for trading currency, max copy amount, and copy stop loss are the same as in smart copy trading. On the right side of the screen, you can see the trader's name, their description, ROI percentage, profit amount in USDT, loss times, number of traders, and win rate, so you can do one final check before you commit. Once you have everything ready, click on Copy Immediately, then click I have read and agree. You'll now be brought to the My Copy section, where you can manage everything related to your copy trading. At the top, you can see today's profits, your current copy margin, total copy trading profit, and total copy margin. On the lower part, you can see your copying tab, copy order history, current positions, and historical positions. Scrolling down a little more, you can see your current copy trades, the type, single copy amount, total copy margin, start time, total copy trading profit, and unrealized P&L. To edit your settings, just click on the trade and a window will appear. Click on Edit Copy and you'll be brought back to the copy trade order placement screen where you can adjust anything you need. Now, if you want to stop copying a trader, click on Stop Copying. You'll have two options. Close all copy positions at market price immediately. All copy positions from this trader will be closed at market price right away. Keep positions and copy immediately. Your existing positions stay open, but no new trades will be copied. After manual closing, profit sharing still applies. Choose whichever option makes sense for your situation, and then click Stop Copying to confirm. Alright, so that's the full step-by-step breakdown of how to set up copy trading on YUBIT. Copy trading is a great way to get into crypto without needing to be a chart expert, but do keep in mind this is not completely passive. You still need to monitor your traders, check in on their performance regularly, and don't be afraid to stop copying someone if their strategy starts changing or their drawdown starts increasing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always consider diversifying across a few traders rather than putting everything into one. Use my link in the description to sign up on YUBIT and claim the full welcome bonus package, up to 50,000 USDT in rewards. All the details are down below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I do read them. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more crypto tutorials like this one. And for a more detailed walkthrough of the YUBIT platform itself, check out the video popping up on your screen right now. I'll see you in the next one.